In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a to-do list on ClickUp. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is log into ClickUp and we're going to select board. Now this works best if you're trying to create a daily to-do list because you're going to have a visual representation of what you need to do every day and the process of each single thing that you're doing. So let's start with to do. This is where you're going to add what you need to do for the day. So let's say today I need to pick up my mom from the airport. So I'm going to add that in my to-do list, pick up mom. Now you're going to select a start date. So my mom arrives today. Today is April 13. And of course the due date is today as well because she lands today. You're going to personalize this depending on what you need to do. Now I'm going to set a priority. This is urgent because I do need to pick up my mom and I cannot forget. And you can also add a time estimate. So how long this project or how long this thing that you need to do will take. So I will say driving back and forth will take around 2 hours with traffic. So I'm going to add that. And then you can add tags. So let's say this is a personal tag for me. So I'm going to add a personal and I'm going to click enter to create this new tag. You can also change the colors by clicking on them. I like to add different colors. So I'm going to add personal and then I'm going to close this off. So let's say I'm already driving to pick up my mom. I'm going to move that into the in progress tab. And what you're going to do once you do your task is simply move it over to complete. And that is it, you guys. I hope this video helped. If you guys want to check out ClickUp, I'm going to leave a link down below so you can. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.